Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Stir Fried Dace fish with Bitter Gourd. So let's start cooking. Now we will blanch our Bitter Gourd. Heat up a wok of water. I'm using medium heat, you can do the same. Add in a little bit of salt, as well as a little bit of cooking oil. The cooking oil and the salt will make your Bitter Gourd still look very, very green. Now we're adding our Bitter Gourd. I've actually cut my Bitter Gourd into sizes like this. Now, please scrape off all the white color pith that you can see because this is what caused the extreme bitterness, and soak them in salted water for approximately half an hour first and then drain them dry. Alright, now we just add this into our water. The Bitter Gourd weight is approximately 360 grams before I cut it up. So just blanch them for a short while, approximately 30 seconds or so will be good. This also to get rid of the extreme bitterness, if any. It's been about 30 seconds. Now we'll remove the Bitter Gourd from the water. Now heat up your wok again. Now we'll add in oil. This is the oil from the canned dace fish, right? You don't have to use everything, it's too oily or too much oil. Just use about half of it will be fine. Add in your garlic, approximately 4 cloves of garlic. Dice up like this. Add in the black beans from the dace fish. Now if your pan is too hot, just reduce down the heat again, right? Mix them up a little bit. Add in half a tablespoon of black bean paste to enhance the taste further. And half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix them around. Once you can smell the beautiful fragrance from here, we'll add in water. Add in approximately 200 milliliters of water. The water can range from 200 to 220 milliliters is fine. If you prefer a little bit more sauce, add a little bit more water. Now we'll turn the heat to medium or medium-low. Let this come to a boil. Now this is how the canned dace fish I'm using, right? There's a lot of brands in the market. Use whichever brand you like. Once the liquid starts to boil, we'll add in our Bitter Gourd. Put all of them in. We'll also add in the dace fish. I've actually deboned it, but the bones actually can be eaten because the canned dace fish, the bones is actually very brittle. I've also torn them apart like this. So just pour everything in. Mix them up a little bit. Put the lid on. Alright. Turn the heat down to medium-low and we'll simmer this for 5 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow. Smells really, really good. To balance up the taste, add in half a teaspoon of sugar. I like to have a darker hue on this dish. I'm adding in half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Right, we are almost done. This dish is fantastic with rice or porridge. Now add in a little bit of cornstarch solution just to thicken up the sauce. Wow, look at how nice this is. Pretty, delicious, this is what we want. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our lunch. Beautiful. Now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow, smells really, really good. Try a piece of the Bitter Gourd. Oh. Very tender, absorb the sauce beautifully. A little bit of bitterness, but this is really, really nice. Now the sauce with rice. Oh. For those of you who don't take Bitter Gourd, you can try cooking this dish. This is absolutely delicious. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, very, very good.